Now see here the Biot-Savart law. See this law is used to find the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Suppose you have taken current carrying conductor like this and you want to calculate magnetic field at this point, that is the P here. First we assume here a small current element of length dl, I is flowing to this side. So here a small current element we have assumed dl, and we have to calculate magnetic field at point P. So its distance from this dl is, suppose this is r vector here, and this angle is theta. So according to Biot-Savart law, magnetic field at point P due to small element of this current is given by dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl cross r upon r cube. This magnitude can be written here, dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl r sin theta upon r cube. This is cancelled here. So we can write mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square. So according to Biot-Savart law, magnetic field at the point P is given by this expression. So direction of the magnetic field is actually here the cross product of the two vectors dl and r. So dl is this side and r is this side. So at this point when we apply the cross product like this and right hand thumb rule, we use the right hand like that and palm is facing towards the r and we fold it, the thumb is going into the plane of the paper or the plane of the board. In that case, the magnetic field we can write here like this cross into the plane of the whiteboard here, or you can say into the plane of the paper if it is on your paper, and this is the magnitude here. So the magnitude of the magnetic field depends on here, or you can say inversely proportional to the distance of the point from the current carrying conductor, square of the distance, sorry, and it is directly proportional to dl, directly proportional to sin theta, and directly proportional to the current I. And this mu naught upon 4 pi is a constant here, whose value is here mu naught upon 4 pi is equal to 10 raised to power minus 7. And 10 raised to power minus 7 you can write here, that is Tesla meter per ampere. So this is the unit of mu naught upon 4 pi, that is a constant. Mu naught is known as permeability of the free space, that means the vacuum which we are using here. We have not taken any medium here. So permeability of the free space is given by, that is mu naught. And now this law we can use to calculate the magnetic field or due to the straight conductor, due to the circular coil, at a point on the axis, or the different type of the shapes where we can apply this Biot-Savart law. And this is actually something similar to the Coulomb's law in the electrostatic force.